Here's what I'd love to do. Take both of these backgrounds and David, you mentioned something lightly there, which was a very big statement that I'd love you to continue on, which is CRMs in the past have been great for the C-suite, right? We can take a look exactly where we are, every deal, closing rates, everything as a management tool, right? To oversee and manage the team. But has it been, to your point, the kind of tool that allows the actual sellers to make the decisions, to really work wisely with their time, give them, direction, recommendations on how they could close more deals, what they should be doing? So I know that's a big part of what you wanted to talk to, and I'll let you take it from there.
Yeah. I think if you were to survey, 1,000 sellers and ask them, how much does your CRM help you prioritize your work, know where to focus, make your job easier? I doubt you'd get many out of those 1,000 who said that was the case. It has been a management tool. It has been something that the companies have used to drive process adherence, to help drive quoting processes or discovery processes or close processes. And I think companies have also invested a lot in like building dashboards, like telling sellers all the data's there, you can go find it. Again, there's so many demands on sellers, especially in the vertical we focus on. If you're a mid-market manufacturing company and you're an account manager, you get pulled in a million different directions. I think what's changed is AI. And I'm not a big bandwagon hype guy. There's certainly a lot of hype around AI right now and that it can solve all problems. Fundamentally, CRM has struggled because it's been hard for sellers to get information into the system and it's hard to get direction or guidance out. And I think AI solves both of those problems really, really well, not in this kind of ask me anything approach or co-pilot approach, but actually by wiring AI into the business workflow that helps understand all the data about a certain customer and tell the seller the signal or the focus that exists across all that information and noise that's overwhelming them every single day.